Hi, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to be revealing the secret to the difference between a rice cooker cup size and an American cup size. It's really important to know the difference between the two because you don't want to boil over the rice in your rice cooker. So first of all, I'm measuring out some water into the rice cooker cup to see just how many millilitres it measures. I'm going to pour this into the measuring jug, and we can see that a rice cooker cup size is about 180 millilitres to the brim. So I'm going to do the same now with the American cup size. And we can see straight away that that's already quite a lot larger. An American cup is actually 237 millilitres. So now I'm going to get a 3/4 American cup and do the same thing. And we can see there on the measuring jug that it measures approximately 180 mils, about the same size as the rice cooker cup. So there you have it, there's the answer. Your rice cooker cup that comes with your rice cooker is approximately the size of a 3/4 American cup.